In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack and Trello. Now, if you're looking to streamline your team communication and enhance productivity between these two powerful platforms, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once there, log in using your preferred login method. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Trello dashboard. This is your central hub for all things Trello, and from here, you'll want to locate the Boards section and subsequently your workspaces. This is where all the boards that you and your team use are conveniently stored. Next, it's important to identify the specific board you'd like to connect with Slack. If you're managing multiple boards, take a moment to select the one that stands out as the most relevant for this integration. Once you've made your selection, it's time to navigate to your workspace settings. Depending on how your Trello is configured, you can find this either in the top corner of your board or within the left-hand sidebar. Once you spot it, give it a click. In the Settings panel, you'll want to look for the Workspace Settings section. Click on it to reveal more options. Here, you'll find the coveted Slack integration section. This feature is essential as it connects Trello with your Slack workspace, allowing for seamless transfer of notifications and updates for improved collaboration. When you're ready to proceed, click on Add to Slack. This action triggers the process of linking your Trello account with your chosen Slack workspace. You're then redirected to Slack's authorization page. On this new page, you'll see a detailed list of permissions that Trello requires to work effectively with Slack. It might seem a bit daunting, but there's no need to worry. Allowing these permissions is just a standard procedure to ensure both platforms work together securely. Take a moment to review these permissions. Once you're comfortable with them, click Allow. As a final contingency, you'll be prompted to confirm access one more time with another Allow button. This step finalizes the connection, officially enabling Trello to send activity updates directly into your Slack channels. And there you have it. The integration is now live. From now on, any relevant updates or activities happening on your Trello board will appear directly in your Slack workspace. It's a powerful way to foster faster communication and keep your entire team synchronized. That wraps up this tutorial. With these simple steps, you're all set to maximize productivity and streamline communication across Trello and Slack. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tutorials and workflow tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.